Yes. Good morning. In the last class, we have derived the expression for electric potential at a point due to a point charge, and electric potential at any point due to a point charge is given by V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R. Suppose this is a point charge and this is a point which is at a distance R from the point charge. Then electric potential at this point is given by V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R, right? So from this expression, we can notice that electric potential is inversely proportional to the distance of the point, right? Electric potential V is inversely proportional to the distance of the point. That means more is the distance of the point from the source charge, less is the potential at that point, right? So we can write electric potential at a point, electric potential at a point due to a point charge, electric potential at a point due to a point charge is inversely proportional to the distance of the point. Inversely proportional to the distance of the point. So we can write V is inversely proportional to R, right? So as the distance of this point increases from the source charge, one point source charge in the dura hodangella, the electric potential goes on decreasing, right? So this is the dependency of electric potential on the distance, right? So we can even draw a graph between electric potential and distance. We can draw the variation of electric potential with the distance. See, as distance of the point from the source charge increases, electric potential must go on decreasing, isn't it? Electric potential must go on decreasing. So if we plot a graph between electric potential and the distance, if we plot a graph between electric potential and the distance, suppose we have plotted potential along y-axis and distance along x-axis. As the distance increases, electric potential should go on decreasing. So this will be the nature of the graph between electric potential and the distance. Can you tell me at what point the electric potential becomes zero? At what point the electric potential becomes zero? ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಝೀರೋ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಝೀರೋ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. At infinity, the electric potential due to a point charge will be zero, right? So infinity hatra ಒಂದು point charge ಇಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ electric potential ಇರಲ್ಲ. There will be no electric potential at infinity due to a point charge, right? So this is regarding variation of electric potential with distance. See, this is electric potential due to a point charge when the source charge is in air or vacuum. Initially, while deriving the derivation, we have supposed that Q is a point charge placed at point 2 in vacuum. So this is the expression for electric potential at a point due to a point charge when this point charge is placed in vacuum. When this point charge is placed in vacuum, this equation must be used only when the point charge is in vacuum. Vacuum nagidagashte potentially V equation use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. When the point charge is placed in some medium, say water, or it is placed in some medium, say kerosene, etc., the potential due to a point charge changes. If this charge, say Q, is present in air or vacuum, if the charge is present in air or vacuum, then potential at this point which is at a distance r from the source charge is given by V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R. This must be made use only when the point charge is in air or vacuum. If the point charge is in some medium of dielectric constant K, then the potential will be different. Electric potential due to a point charge depends upon the medium in which the charge is placed. Charge ಯಾವ medium nagade ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ electric potential depend ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. So electric potential at a point due to a point charge. Electric potential at a point due to a point charge when placed in a medium of dielectric constant K. Can you tell me what would have happened to the electric potential at a point due to a point charge when the charge is placed in a medium? Medium nagittaga electric potential ಏನಾಗಿರಬಹುದು? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಏನಾಗಿರಬಹುದು? ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದ, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. So whenever you place a point charge in a medium of dielectric constant K, the electric potential is going to decrease. Remember, whenever two charges are placed in medium, force between two charges decreases. Whenever a charge is placed in medium, the electric field produced by the point charge at any point decreases in comparison with air. Whenever the charge is present in a medium, the potential at a point due to this point charge decreases in comparison with air. Electric force, electric field and electric potential will be maximum in air or vacuum once the charge or the charges are placed in a medium of dielectric constant K. All these three are going to decrease. Force, field and potential are going to decrease in a medium, right? So electric potential at a point due to a point charge when placed in a medium of dielectric constant K is given by V medium is equals to, see, potential in presence of medium is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught K, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught K Q by R. This is the electric potential due to a point charge in a medium, right? I can write the same as ಈ term ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನು 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. This term 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. This can be written as potential due to a point charge in air or vacuum, correct? So I write this as potential due to a point charge in air or vacuum divided by K. So whenever a point charge is placed in a medium of dielectric constant K, the potential at a point is going to decrease by a factor K, right? So this is regarding potential due to a point charge when it is placed in a medium, right? And I have told you, electric potential is a scalar quantity. And while evaluating potentials, you need to take into account the sign of the charge. Potential evaluation madbekadre you must take into account the sign of the charge, right? So hagadre we generally write potential due to a point charge, positive charges, potential at a point due to charge plus Q. Notice positive source charge in the potential, now we write it as V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. The potential due to a positive point charge will be positive, potential positive irtade, and potential due to a negative point charge, potential at a point due to a charge minus Q will be V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q by R. Potential due to a negative charge will be negative, minus ಬರ್ತದೆ potential. ಒಂದು ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, Suppose this is a positive source charge. This is a positive source charge. And suppose there is a positive test charge at infinity. Suppose there is a positive test charge at infinity. In order to move this test charge from infinity to say point P, you will have to do work. Correct? You will have to do work against. You will have to do work against electric field. Okay. Or you can also say electric force. Okay, all right. Ega, see, this is source charge. This is source charge. Plus Q anta bardini antandre, this is a source charge. Test charge adre I write it as Q0. Remember, this is a source charge, positive source charge, and this is a negative source charge. So once the source charge is positive, in order to move the test charge from infinity to point P, you are doing work against electric field. Correct? Suppose the test charge is initially present at point P. Suppose the test charge is initially present at point P. Will you have to do any work to move the charge from point P to infinity? Suppose the charge is present at point P. Charge point P at riktantadri. Will you have to do any work to move the charge from point P to infinity? You work madbekagtada? Will you have to do any work? No. Because of repulsion, the charge by itself moves from point P to infinity. This is known. Ega hagadre ee situation analyze matter. Suppose the source charge is negative. And the test charge, unit positive test charge, is at infinity. Suppose the test charge is at infinity. Will you have to do any work in order to move this positive test charge from infinity to point P due to this negative source charge? Will you have to do any work to move the charge from infinity to point P? Illala. Due to a negative charge, the charge by itself moves from infinity to point P. This is right. Correct? Hagadre, due to a negative charge, you will have to do work to move the charge this positive charge from point P to infinity. Due to this negative charge, in order to move this test charge from point P to infinity, you will have to do work. You will infinity try madri. Will you be able to move it without doing any work? Will you be able to move this positive test charge from point P to infinity without doing any work? Agtada? Solve yochane madi nodri. Illala. If you try to move, what happens? If you try to move the test charge Q0, from point P to infinity, what happens? What does this negative source charge do? Attract ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Negative source charge attracts. So in order to move the test charge Q0 from point P to infinity, you will have to do work. Nodri, positive source charge igadre, you will have to do work to move the charge from infinity to point P. For a positive source charge, you will have to do work in order to move the charge from infinity to point P. So infinity was the initial position and point P is the final position. Correct? Due to positive source charge. Whereas for a negative source charge, you will have to do work to move the charge from point P to infinity. So point P will become initial position and infinity becomes final position. Hagadre, can you tell me, in order to calculate total work done against negative source charge, you integrate small work done from infinity to R or from R to infinity? Nanne madivala. Due to positive source charge, we integrated small work done from infinity to R, initial position to final position. Due to a negative source charge, total work done will be calculated between the limits infinity to R or from R to infinity. Ellinda allige calculation ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Ellinda allige? Very good. I hope this point is clear. Negative source charge idge work ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you will have to move the charge from point P to infinity. Point P becomes the initial position and infinity becomes the final position for the negative source charge. So we will have to integrate from r to infinity. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನನ್ನ ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಫ್ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ಮೇಡ್ r and infinity, if the limits were made r and infinity, ಇಲ್ಲಿ infinity ಬರೋದು. Suppose I make this r and I make this infinity. Negative source charge ಇದ್ರೆ this would be r and this would be infinity. ಅವಾಗ this would be infinity. First upper limit infinity substitute ಆಗೋದು, and then we would have substituted r. Correct ಅಲ್ಲ? 1 by infinity would be 0. This term would have become 0. And you will be left out with minus 1 by r. Minus 1 by r. Our work done ಏನಾಗೋದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತಾ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತಾ? ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ would be positive or negative. Work done would be positive or negative. So potential ಕೂಡ automatically negative ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. Due to a negative source charge, the potential would be negative. I hope I am clear how the potential due to a negative source charge is negative. ಯಾಕೆ potential due to a negative source charge negative ಬರ್ತದೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? Because we are changing the limits. We are changing the limits of integration, or we are just inverting the limits of integration. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಬಬಲಿ. I hope why potential due to a negative source charge is negative. Clear ಆಯ್ತು? If not, we'll explain it again. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ why potential due to a negative source charge is negative, or we can move forward. If this is clear, we'll move forward. Okay, so this is regarding potential at a point due to a negative source charge, right? So V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon minus Q by R. And you must remember the number of potentials at a point, will always be equal to number of source charges around that point. See, the number of potentials at a point will be equal to number of source charges around that point, or you can also say number of source charges in the vicinity of that point. Suppose I have a point here. Say this is point P, and this point P has two charges in its vicinity, say Q1 and Q2, and I have to move a test charge, say plus Q0 from infinity to point P. I have to move a charge plus Q0 from infinity to point P. Then I will have to do work against two charges. In order to move this test charge Q0 from infinity to point P, I will have to do work against the force exerted by Q2. I'll have to do work against force exerted by Q2. Also, I'll have to do work against force exerted by Q1. So work done to move the charge Q0 from infinity to point P against force exerted by Q2 is potential at point P due to Q2, V2 anta barithi. Work done in moving test charge from infinity to point P is nothing but electric potential. So if I have done work against Q2, I write the potential as V2. Also, I will have to do work against Q1. I'll have to do work against force exerted by Q1. So the amount of work done to move the unit positive test charge from infinity to point P against the force exerted by Q1 is potential at point P. We will write this as V1. So what is the net potential at point P? What is the net potential at point P? The net potential at point P is the sum of potentials due to individual charges. This point hatra total potential estu antandre, the total potential at a point due to many charges is equal to algebraic sum of potentials due to individual charges. Algebraic sum is to be used because electric potential is a scalar quantity. So net electric potential at a point due to many charges is equal to algebraic sum of potentials due to individual charges. Q1 in the potential ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ V1, Q2 in the potential ಎಷ್ಟು ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ V2, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್, ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರೈಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್, ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವಿಸಿನಿಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೋ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, then there will be 3 potentials at that point. Andre you will have to do work against all 3 charges. One charge ಗೆ against ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಪಾಪ ಇವನು, ನಾವಿಬ್ರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೋಣ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಅವು ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತವೆ. they will be opposing the motion of this test charge. Right, so the number of potentials at a point will always be equal to the number of source charges present in the vicinity of that point. A point ಸುತ್ತ ಎಷ್ಟು source charges ಅವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು potentials ಇರ್ತವೆ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ. And the total potential at a point will be the algebraic sum of potentials due to individual charges. Potentials due to individual charges. So I hope the idea of potentials is clear. Is clear how to calculate potentials due to multiple charges? Potential at a point due to multiple charges will be equal to algebraic sum of potentials due to individual charges. Can even write it. Potential at a point, potential at a point due to many charges, potential at a point due to many charges is equal to many charges at a point. Potential will always be present at a point. So potential at a point due to many charges is equal to algebraic sum of potentials at that point. Algebraic sum of potentials at that point due to individual charges. So this is regarding potential at a point due to many charges, right? So this is all regarding the idea of electric potential. So I hope you will be able to solve this problem now. Try to solve this problem. Ee problem bartade nodri madlikke. I'll not write the question, I'll just give you the problem situation. Suppose here is a point charge or a source charge of say 1 microcoulomb. This is a source charge, right? And here is a point charge, here is a point P, which is at a distance of say 1 centimeter from the source charge. P is a point which is at a distance of 1 centimeter from this source charge. We'll write it as Q. Can you calculate what is the potential at this point? E point hatra potential eshtirtu calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, in order to move a charge of +1 coulomb from infinity to this point, what amount of work you will have to do? That must be calculated. Can you calculate potential at a point? Potential at this point due to a charge of +1 coulomb. Calculate ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? So we can write the data. Data na again nodri. We have the source charge. Source charge is 1 microcoulomb and the distance of the point is 1 centimeter. 1 microcoulomb is nothing but 1 into 10 to the power of -6 coulomb. 1 centimeter is 1 into 10 to the power of -2 meter. So we need to calculate potential at this point. E point hatra potential ಎಷ್ಟು calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, right? Think you are answering. Okay, 9 into 10 to the power of 5. Very good. No, we'll calculate. So this can be written as, we know that electric potential at a point due to a point charge is given by V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R. V is equals to, we know 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Q is given as 1 into 10 to the power of -6 divided by R is 1 into 10 to the power of -2. So 10 power -2 and goes numerator becomes 10 power +2. So this will be 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 10 to the power of -4. Correct alla? 10 power minus 2 and goes numerator becomes plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2 will be minus 4. So this will be 9 into 10 to the power of 5 volts. So electric potential at a point which is at a distance of 1 centimeter from the source charge of 1 microcoulomb will be 9 into 10 to the power of 5 volts. 9 into 10 to the power of 5 volts can be written as 9 into 10 to the power of 5 joule per coulomb. Correct, Allah? Volt can also be written as joule per coulomb. This means in order to move a charge of 1 coulomb from infinity to point P against the electric force exerted by 1 microcoulomb, you will have to do a work of 9 into 10 to the power of 5 joules. 1 coulomb charge na infinity in the point P tarbeku antandre against the force exerted by 1 microcoulomb charge. You will have to do a work of 9 into 10 to the power of 5 joules. This is the meaning of the potential at this point. 9 into 10 power 5 volt adantandre enadru dartha gothirbekkala, right? Can you calculate this? Suppose the charge is placed in a medium of say dielectric constant 9. Can you calculate potential at this point now? Suppose the charge is placed in a medium of dielectric constant 9 and you have to find out potential at same point which is at a distance 1 centimeter from the source charge. Ee medium na gitti. Can you find out the potential at that point? Enago potential a point atra increase agbeka decrease agbeka? The potential has to increase or it has to decrease? Very good. Very good. So if the point is in air or vacuum, potential at that point will be greater. If the point is in a medium of dielectric constant K, its potential actually decreases. Right? Very good, very good. It will be 10 power 5 volts or 10 power 5 joule per coulomb. Suppose there are, we'll take up another problem. Suppose there are 2 points. Suppose there are 2 points A and B of potential say 15 volts and 10 volts respectively, and I have to move a charge of plus 2 nanocoulomb from B to A. I have to move a charge of plus 2 nanocoulomb from B to A. What amount of work is to be done to move a charge from one point to another point? The potential at this point A is 15 volt and potential at this point B is 10 volt. What is the work done in this case? What is the work done in this case? We need to calculate work done. I have told you how to calculate work done. Basic potential difference define ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Potential difference is defined as work done by charge. Potential difference ಇವೆರಡರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ potential difference ಅದಲ್ಲ A ಮತ್ತೆ B ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ